novice group today, so when I'm going a little bit slower with certain students and that, I'll take this. Everybody's excited at the track. It's always a good track day. We started off the day cloudy, a little cool, had to let the moisture burn off. Kind of wanted just to bring you guys along for a track day. We're up here at the Midohio Sports Car Course in Lexington, Ohio. I'm based out of Columbus. Love to have some of you guys come up to the school. If you're thinking about doing a track day, come on up here, visit us at Midohio. Actually thinking about giving away a couple track days too. I'd like to get some people that are, you know, thinking about it to come up and run novice with me and spend a day. If nothing else, enhance your skills. Spend a fun day at the track. Be a better street rider. Come on up if you got a bike you want to get on the track. We'd love to see you up here at school. I've got a father and son out there with me. They've never been here before. So let me know if you guys got any questions or would like to spend a day with us up here at Midohio. Oh, here comes Matt. He's out getting some footage. Okay, if you guys are thinking about doing a track day with us, I wanted to give you some general information and guidelines on how the track functions. We run 3 different groups depending on your skill level: advanced, intermediate, and novice. Advanced and intermediate run almost as an open session. We do have control riders out there with you to provide help and suggestions. Novice group is a lead follow, where you'd be behind an instructor. They help control your speed and make sure you're following the proper race line around the track. You guys are out on track 7 times a day for 20 minutes each session. Lunch is provided by Midohio, which is a nice bonus. But with the novice, we want to get you a lot of instruction, a lot of guidance from the coaches. Everybody's very approachable. We want to be able to answer questions and make sure you guys are having a fun day, a safe day, and most importantly, bringing your riding skills up. If you guys are thinking about doing novice group with us and you're not sure what is required, we look for boots above the ankle, motorcycle pants, a motorcycle jacket, gauntlet gloves, and a fairly current motorcycle helmet. We do check the gear when you sign up for the school. We try and make it easy for you guys to come up and spend a day with us, have a nice day at the track, enhance your riding skills, and hopefully become a better street rider, have some fun on the track. Hey, I want to thank you guys for clicking on the video. If you really enjoyed the content, please give me a thumbs up.